guys, we're going to be showing you a tutorial how to do this thingy. What is it called? I think it's called a skip it, or that's what it used to be called. I don't know. So you should put it on. I don't know. So before you even start to use it, you're gonna see this thingy, and you're gonna see little like hole thingies right there. See? And you're gonna tighten it to make sure this thingy doesn't fall off. And then there's two of them, so do it to both, and then you can start. And this takes a lot of ankle strength. So I put it on my own left leg. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry that there's background noise. It's because we were watching Christmas Chronicles. So you're gonna kick it back. You're gonna kick it back, and it's kind of like your speed. That's why it's called a skip. And you're gonna jump whenever it comes over. At some point, both of your legs will be in the air. If you didn't hear me, at some point, both of your legs will be in the air, and you just skip, kind of. So you kick this back, and every time that comes, you jump over it. You also jump with the other leg to keep it going, and then you also jump with the other leg to keep it going. This is how the Georgia does it. That still works, but it's harder. Oh, okay. So if you need a stopping point, just stop and it'll like just come. So she does it like where it's up here, and then you. But that's pretty hard. So, you can either try both ways. Minimal. I'm sure you could buy one of these on Amazon or something. I think it's supposed to be like an exercising toy.
Seriously?
So.
Just since there's something else.
Yeah. The highest I've been to, like the highest it gone around, is 101. My goal is 200. Well, right now it's 150, and then it's going to be 200 whenever I make it to 150. So, peace. That's my tutorial how to do it. Yeah. Takes a lot of work.